Yeah, good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have brought another new job that is Azure Data Engineering. One of the company that is Delphic India asking some Azure Data Engineer roles in Delphic India, having minimum of 1 to 6 years experience in this respective field. So work locations are Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, and Bangalore. So if anybody want to apply for this role, they must have knowledge in data engineer, Azure, SQL, Power BI, Snowflake, and Azure Data Factory. They must well in this field. So job description is qualification is bachelor degree in computer engineering, computer science, and mathematics engineering. So please go through all parameters. Experience in automation, specifically related to deployment, recovery, or other manual process. Experience with entire solutions. So experience with resilience modeling, failure mode analysis, and ability to simulate service outages for point solutions, automated and platforms. Experience influencing software engineering team members in translating customer and technical requirement into service architecture to meet quality of service expectations. Please go through all parameters. This is a good job and they will good package in the job. Okay, they will do good package for the job. Okay, and role is data engineer. Okay, so this is a full-time and permanent role. So education qualification is any graduate and any postgraduate. I will arrange this link in the description box. And if any want to apply for this job, please go through that and apply for the job. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.